Sing Sang Tai Tai Lay Ho. I am Jill Marie Rimando, born on September 24, 1989, 36 years old, from Davao de Oro, Philippines. I am married and blessed with two children, ages 17 and 14 years old. I am a vocational graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I worked as housemaid in Philippines for 2 years and 2 months from August 2012 to October 2014. I serve one couple and two children, ages 8 and 4 years old. I worked as housemaid in Philippines for 3 years from December 2022 to December 2025. I serve one couple and 5 years old child.
Hello, Miss Jill Marie Rimando. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
Okay, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, especially when it comes to their child.
Okay, so what if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and I will promise to be careful next time.
Okay, so what if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How will you communicate with her?
Sir, ma'am, I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand and to speak their language.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
What if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, sir, madam. I will just talk to them nicely, love them, and understand them because in the first place, they are just child who always want to play.
Okay, so how will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure doors and windows are always closed. Keep sharp objects away and keep harmful materials out of their reach.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet. Feed them baby time and give the medicine on time.
Alright, so how will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first. Bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Alright, can you sing a lullaby to the baby for him to feel asleep? If yes, can you give us example?
Yes, sir, like twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, very good. So do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Jill Marie Rimando, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Ma'am and sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.